All right. So, guys, I am Raj Kamal, and welcome back to the brand new series of AI product engineering. And in continuation to that, today we are going to talk about Python installation and VS Code setup. And believe me, guys, this is the very first and very important step before getting dive into the AI project development. Okay, so without further delay, let's get started. So, I hope you guys can see my screen that is pretty much visible. Let me open the browser first. Okay, all right, so this website is the official website for the Python installation. Okay, you can go ahead with you can see all the previous version of Python distribution as well, and the latest version that they are suggesting is 3.14. See it here. Okay, so in order to install it on your machine, you have to firstly check, are you Windows user, are you a Linux or Unix machine user, okay, are you a Mac OS user. Depending upon your OS, you need to select the Python distribution. Okay, so for Windows, it will be simple .exe file that you have to download and proceed ahead with the installation. Okay, so for me, I'm just clicking on here. Okay, so it proceed ahead with the downloading of Python 3.14.5 version software. I'm just opening it. Okay, all right, guys, see this kind of screen is coming for me because this software is already installed in my machine. Okay, I believe you are doing it for first time, and there is no Python is installed in your machine. So for you, it will be simply come as the installation option. You have to click on install button followed by uh, two three times next buttons. Okay, and with in no times you will be able to install Python in your machine. Okay, all right, so I'm canceling it for me. But after the installation, we have to validate whether Python is successfully installed in our system or not, right? So there is a way, let me tell you. We have to open the terminal first, okay, and type Python version. All right, so Python 3.14.5, this is the version which is installed in my machine, and this is the latest version that is visible on the this official Python website as well. Okay, so I hope you guys are able to follow these steps. In case you find any difficulty, uh, tell me in the comment section below. Okay, as a second step, we we also want to set up VS Code in our machine. That will eventually help us to develop end-to-end AI products. Okay, and this is very popular and very trusted editor within the developer community. Okay, in the AI world. So this is something you can use for your development purpose. So VS Code download. Okay, you have to click on the first option. This is the official link for the VS Code setup. By clicking it here, it will navigate to the download page. With respect to the, I mean, if you are a window machine user, or you are a Linux machine user, depending upon which version you are using, sorry, which flavor of OS you are using, whether you are using Debian, Ubuntu, or Red Hat, Fedora, SysOne, you have to click on respective software, and in no time you will be able to install it in your machine. And for the Mac user, this is the option. You can click it here and install it. I'm clicking on the Windows option because I'm using Windows machine. All right, so this is installed, this is downloaded in my machine. I'm just opening it. It is again a .exe file uh, that you can simply click on the next button, and simply in no times you will be able to install it. Okay, you have to click it on the I agree, I accept the agreement, then click on the next. Then you can take this option as well. It will help you to open your project code using the VS Code simply. Okay, in the file explorer mode. You can click on the next. And guys, and now the next option in installation. Since this is already installed, I'm not going to click on the install, but after that, for you guys, you have to simply click on the install, and in no time you will be able to install it within a minute. I would say minute is, I mean, too much. Within a second you will be able to get it installed in the system. Once that is installed, okay, you have to open it, because you have to set up the VS Code as well, because in order to uh, do the full-fledged AI product development using the VS Code, there is so many extension or plugins we need to install. Then only it will be ready for the development. Okay, so to do that, I'm just opening my VS Code. Okay, let me open the let me create a folder, and that will work as a project folder for me. That's how VS Code works internally. So let me name it uh, Python VS Code setup. Okay, select it. Sorry, I need to firstly create it. Python VS Code setup. All right, selected this folder. You can click yes, trusted the author. This folder is open here, guys. But before proceed ahead with the development, I would suggest to come here on the extension option. It will provide a list of, I mean, there are popular plugins extension which is required in order to do the full-fledged development. Okay, that's how VS Code work. So you have to come here, type the Python first, because whatever the development we are going to do, using the Python as a primary language only, right? So for that, Python plugin needs to be installed in order to do the development in the VS Code. So just click on Python, type the Python. So you will be getting Python plugin developed by Microsoft, which is very popular and very trustable. So again, for me, I have already set up, so it's coming as an uninstall option. But for new developers who are just starting their journey for the AI product development, and they are setting up their VS Code Python, so once they will click it here, they will see the installation option here. Okay, they need to simply click on the installation, and it will get installed, enabled with no time. Okay, you will be really amazed. Then you have to come to Explorer option, and you have to create a Python 5 file. Let's say it's a demo.py. Okay, it's open here. Let me create a one line program of hello world for the testing purpose only. Okay, so I have saved it. Let me open the terminal is open here, and let me execute it, right? So let me check it from here as well, from VS Code terminal as well, which Python version it's referring to. Yeah, here it is referring to the correct Python version only, 3.14.5, right? This is the one we have set up through the Python installation as well. Okay, all right. So now I'm going to run this code, demo.py, enter. See, uh, it ran successfully and it print the message hello world. That's what we have written, right? Very simple hello world program. Okay, all right. So guys, today we have learned Python installation and VS Code setup. And this was the agenda for the today's session. And I hope you have learned something today. With that, I'm signing off for today. But remember, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building together. Bye.